Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I want to share with you an unboxing video of pantaloons dresses or pantaloons outfits, whatever you like to say, for girls. You can see I have kept a bag here. It's written over here pantaloons. See the bag? It's paper bag and I just love this kind of packaging. They are so eco-friendly, which is very much important. Yesterday actually I went to Pantaloons and I have shopped something for me. So now let me show you what is inside this bag. Come. First of all, I want to show you this jeans. It's from Bare Denim. The brand is Bare Denim. You can see. I hope, friends. My size is 28. And here is also written. Price is only $9.99. I was shocked to see the price. It's only $9.99. Can you imagine, friends? See. Here it's also written that Bare Denim 91. I just love Bare Denim jeans. They are so comfortable and the fittings are so good. And it's ankle length. The color is not black, but it's dark grey. Definitely you can team it up with light colored tops or even dark colored tops. It will also go good with crop tops as well. See, friends, and it's little bit stretchable, little bit. And whenever you wash a jeans or denim, please provide a dry clean wash. If you want to save your nice outfits or dresses, please provide a dry clean wash. Now I want to show you my next jeans. It's from Jealous 21. The brand is Jealous 21. And the price is $19.99. Again, I guess it's very much cheap. My Jealous 21 size is 30. I don't know why. Bare Denim is 28 and this one is 30. And again, the material is so good, so soft. And see the design. It's new collection. There is a leafy motif here. And at this part, see, it's so cute, na? It's a keychain. And the fittings is so slim fit. And the material is so soft, and this one is not stretchable. and the price is also very minimal, I guess. And my last outfit is a top. This one, summer is so increasing day by day. The heat of the summer, the heat of the temperature, not summer, the temperature is increasing day by day. The white color is so soothing, I guess. It's a lacy top. It's from Honey. My size is L. I don't like to wear tops so tight and so tight fittings. I don't like. That's why I use little bit looser. That's why I'm using L. Every time I like to wear tops little bit looser. But my actual size is M. The color is off-white and the price is $8.99. Again, it's very much cheap. The material is so soft, but I guess we have to wear an inner with it, little bit transparent, and the back portion is so nice. See? I hope you enjoyed this my shopping, friends, for summers. And if you want to buy these clothes, you can buy it from Pantaloons, any Pantaloon store, or you can also visit their website and buy it from there also. And yeah, if you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Till then, stay fit, keep it stylish,